Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to talk on Hangouts. So if you guys want to know how to use it, you can just open your email and then here at the left panel, you will find the Hangouts sections right here. But if you can't find it, you need to activate it on the settings. So I'm going to show you how to setting it first. So you just need to click on settings and then click on see all settings, and here click on the chat and meet section, and please make sure that the classic hangouts is chosen and then click on save, and this hangouts will be show up at the left panel like this. And to start talking on hangouts, you can just click on plus right here and then enter the name of email or phone of your friends. For example, I want to talk to my friend on this like this, and you can just start chatting hi, for example. Or if you want to do some face call, you can just click on this and then share a new meet video call link, or you can just call the person right away. Okay, so just wait until person call. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can talk on Hangouts. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.